Two powerful earthquakes hit Afghanistan. The magnitude of 6.31. The epicenter was near the city of Herat, western Afghanistan. The tremor was so strong that it was felt in neighboring provinces of Baptist and Fall. The earthquake caused widespread devastation, destroying more than lost their lives, and more than 9 residents panicked. Most affected villages are said to be more than 600 houses were destroyed or partially damaged in at least 12 villages in Herat province. The number of affected people in these areas is about 4,200 people. Death toll is expected to rise as rescue operations continue. The earthquake struck about 40 kilometers, 25 miles, to the northwest. Rescue teams worked through the night to find survivors trapped under the rubble. Thousands of people were injured. In a country with severely inadequate medical facilities, hospitals are struggling to treat the injured. The United Nations and other organizations began rushing in emergency supplies. Afghanistan is often affected by earthquakes, especially in the Hindu Kush Mountains, because it is located near the junction of the Eurasian and Indian tectonic plates. In June last year, a 5.9 magnitude earthquake struck Paktika province, killing more than 1,500 people and leaving hundreds of thousands homeless. We were in our office, and suddenly the building started shaking. Herat resident Bashir Ahmed, 45, told AFP, "The plaster of the walls has started falling down and the walls have cracks. I can't communicate with my family. The network is disconnected. I was so worried and scared. It was horrible. Most people are shocked. Some could not even speak, but there were others who could not stop crying and shouting." The latest information and Culture Ministry spokesman Abdul Wahid Rayyan said 2,060 people were killed and 1,240 injured, and 1,320 houses were completely destroyed.